Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
I'm not the type who fades quietly into the background. Even when you can't see me, I'll still make you believe.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Need a bit more juice.
I need your help.
Something bothering you, Ben?
You just done this dance so many times, Susie. It was getting kinda old.
Right. Saving the world from cosmic annihilation can be such a bore.
Well, when you put it like that.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
So this is the end of all that is, huh? Not on my watch, darling.
Let's play catch! Well, Kobe, punch in the hole! Finally! I have discovered a net. I went
Clear the way!
You needed a timeout.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Please.
Even better than my mutant power.
No worries. I got you.
Hey, behind you.
Feeling fantastic.
Now, my friend.
Bionic Double KO!
He was the enemy of his own ideals.
The mission area is yours. Not going anywhere.
Be proud, my friends.
I was made out of our always glad now. Ah, much better. Let's do this.
Psionic burst. Clearly you needed some help.
Let me at him. Now Hulk mad! Like catch! Like word! Spiders! We got some... Berserker! Rage!
I am ready to put on a show! I have a shield, though. No complaints.
Disappear! Double KO! Disappear! That's 3! You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
We can't let them take control.
My aim is true.
Control lost!
My turn.
No! Fast! Grace us with victory!
Psionic surge!
Needed a little boost. Thanks. Rise, my friends!
An extra force field? Great!
My turn.
Vortex field!
Second
Psionic
chance is
surge!
over. I feel better already.
No worries. I've got psionic burst!
Straight
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
This time I need healing.
Force burst! Psionic burst!
Spider mode!
my strength!
We've got trouble.
You got my back?
I've got yours.
This is the place to watch.
Control seized!
The more the merrier. Be proud, my friends.
powers are mine!
Cosmic might return.
This fighter's way too familiar. It's fighter time! Psionic surge! Vortex field!
The glory is almost yours!
Force burst!
Some assistance.
Psionic surge! You know, it's much better. Anyone willing to help?
Magneto!
Keep fighting until we have a winner!
I got you covered. Psionic surge!
You never stood a chance.
My
Cosmic rays didn't make me who I am today. My family did.
worth checking this place out.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Your senses rival those of Bast herself, Logan.
Perfect for doing some hunting. You with me, T'Challa?
Only if you leave some prey for me.
No promises, bub.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Science and faith. Of course they can coexist.
Our foes have arrived.
Clear the way! Vortex field!
No worries. I've got your back.
Spider bots? Just like mine!
Rise, my friend!
The mission area is yours. Capture now.
Grace us with victory!
I am ready to put on a show! Psionic burst!
Feel better already.
An extra force field? Great!
That was a total blindside.
Nowhere! Psionic burst!
Present technology. My strength is ready.
The mission area is yours.
And lethal as always, T'Challa.
I didn't...
It's Spider!
Now let's see them.
Psionic burst! Clear the way!
Your powers are mine!
Got your back.
Now, Hulk!
Psionic surge!
Armed and dangerous!
Never even saw me coming.
Again!
Anyone
Again!
I got you covered. Vortex field! Clear the way!
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
An extra force field? Clear, boss! Just like mine! Uh-oh...
Look who just showed up. Needed a little boost. Thanks.
Sorry enough!
Might
Here's the
return.
pulse! Psionic surge! Disappear!
Glory is almost yours.
Clear the way!
Spider mode. It's Spider time!
I am ready to put on a show!
Double KO.
A little psionic burst!
Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
I'm not the type who fades quietly into the background. Even when you can't see me, I'll
30
still
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What's a fancy rock you got there, lady? A lot fancier than any of mine.
My blood gem is quite the treasure. It was passed down to me from my father.
Well, if I ever have kiddos, I sure as heck hope they don't inhabit my stones.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
An extra Franklin and Val are gonna be so sad they missed this.
Here they come. Strong again.
Psionic Surge!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Psionic Burst!
You forced my hand.
You know what to do, Spider?
Just what the doctor ordered.
Psionic Burst! Trouble! Powering up! Vortex Field!
Was that my arrow?
Anyone willing to help? An extra force field? Great!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
I've got you covered.
I'll take all the healing I can get.
Ah, much better.
Psionic Burst!
Needed that boost. My
The area's almost yours.
I don't give up so easily.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Defense is the key.
Control lost.
Vortex Field! Dinner time, love! Disappear!
The moon haunts you!
Release the Glortron!
Damn it, never falls!
here's how you would shoot.
Damn it, never falls!
I'll fight for my family until the end.
Got your back. One of Steven's mystical portals. Psionic surge! Anyone going to help?
Even when you can't see me, I'll still make you believe.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Elsa Bloodstone.
My
I look forward to fighting alongside you.
Always glad to meet a fellow hunter. What's your prey of choice, love?
Mostly your kind. What you would call demons. And monsters.
Smashing.
The battle starts in 5,
Yeah, long.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
No complaints.
Got it?
Only 6 of them, eh? This should be easy enough. Here comes the horde!
Invisible? Tried that on.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Clear the way.
Mission area is yours.
Ready! That's launch! That almost got ugly.
Psionic burst. Disappear!
The moon haunts you! My favorite time! It's clobbering time!
We have to stand strong.
Control lost.
Psionic surge! Now I see them.
Just hurt. Strong again!
Heads up, another arm.
Clear the way! Feeling
Thanks for the
fantastic.
love, love.
I got you covered. Anyone willing to help?
Moonlight's up. Bollocks.
More help is never bad.
Oh yeah, baby, that's the good stuff.
Psionic surge! You spiders? One of Moon Knight's aunts.
Their team's capture progress is past the halfway point. Control C.
The moon haunts you!
Much better.
Anyone willing to help?
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
You pulled your punches, Ben. Big mistake. Vortex field! Psionic burst! Counting on you.
Got you good.
Psionic surge!
They got me!
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly. Feel the pull! Feeling fantastic.
I don't give up so easily.
Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
I'm not the type who fades quietly into the background. Cosmic rays didn't make me who I am today. My family
30
did.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
So, you're the broad who hunts monsters, huh? My kind of girl.
Sorry to burst your bubble, but I'm no one's kind of girl. Especially yours.
You sure? We'd make a hell of a pair. If you're lucky, I might even let you raid my armory.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
2 rooms, huh? Target-rich environment.
Go, Deadpool! It's your birthday!
Here comes the horde! Thanks for the love, love.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Everyone willing to help? Capture the mission area!
I'll fight for my family until the end.
Much better.
Now I see them. Psionic burst!
Your team's capture progress is currently at halfway point.
Disappear! Psionic burst!
Real monsters!
Clearly you need a vortex field!
They've almost got it!
Thought you wouldn't see me again?
You wish you were there!
Psionic burst! It feels good to step outside my bubble every now and then.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Hooray! We're saving the world, and here comes the loosest cannon.
Was that an insult? Because it feels kind of like a compliment.
Just an observation.
The Lucis Cannon and his sidekick Spider-Man. I like it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
So if the timelines are all entangled, how many MJs are there? This could get complicated. Watch out there!
Capture now!
Clearly you needed some help.
Capture the mission area! My friends are here!
Clear the way!
Thanks for the love, love.
Nice!
I got you covered.
Control seized!
That's much better.
Psionic surge! Vortex field!
Control lost!
I don't give up so easily.
Feel the pull!
Your team's capture progress is past the halfway point.
Psionic surge!
One shot.
Turn around! They're behind us!
I'll fight for my family until the end.